point today is not about people wearing privileges. यार जिनके पास है वो तो कर ही लेंगे, पेट तो भर ही लेंगे. What about those who do not have it to do this? How will they? The Puri Mahesh जिसके बारे में यार बता रहा था, Puri Mahesh is, you know, that guy, his father did not get a salary. I want to help such people also. You know what he did? He took a personal loan. He's a working professional. He took a personal loan and he paid his fees. He did not tell me. Had he told me, I would have done something about it. That is the kind of self-respecting people, and he will get recommended. I'm telling you today. Because he knows the value of what he is doing. He's a very egoist person. बहुत इसका टॉप लेवल का है, ये सुनता नहीं बहुत जल्दी नहीं सुनता. करेक्ट नहीं मैं. तो इसको धक्का देने के लिए ना उतना ही जोर लगता है. नो, ही विल डू एवरीथिंग, but he will still, he has in his mind, he's ambitious, he is hardworking, but he will still not accept much help. Yes, he still want to do कि मैं खुद कर सकता हूँ. He believe in himself कि मैं खुद कर सकता हूँ. If you have got that level of self assurance, then obviously nobody can challenge you, and you may not be wanting that kind of help. But yes, there are a lot of us who feel कि यार हमें ना नहीं अपने आप नहीं कर सकते. So these things are meant for those people. Sambit, when you came initially, what was your first mindset when you came here? Before you came here, on after the first day, what was your mind?
Sir, I came here primarily because I wanted the assessment. Where am I going wrong? And after few days, you told me where I.
So we did a midterm feedback, then we did a final feedback, and in most of the time I told you the same thing, and you asked me only one question कि सर अब मैं उतना rude तो नहीं हूँ, अब मैं उतना critical तो नहीं हूँ. I hope I'm not doing wrong in yes. That is how somebody knows about themselves. उसके बारे में पता होना जरूरी है. That is what I think you were one of those few people who knew about yourself. But then when did you ये कब realize हुआ कि भाई मुझे पता है कि मैं गलत जा रहा हूँ कहीं?
सर आपके बोलने से पता चला. और then I introspected. I watched my behavior. After you said, I thought again, how am I behaving? If I can express more politely in understood ways, I can.
तूने माना भी नहीं. Yes. Yes. And in fact, if I'm not mistaken, initially the first day you felt angry about it also. ये ऐसे क्यों बोल दी? Because I told you in one of those discussions, and you were saying something, and I said ऐसे नहीं इसको ऐसे बोलो. And you looked at it in way, ये ऐसे क्या बोल दिया मैंने?
पहले बस मेरे को तो लगता है आई हैड गुड क्वालिटी हार्ट. आई वांट टू कोऑपरेट. आई वांट टू वर्क इन टीम. बट मेरे को जिसमें विश्वास था आपने बोले वही खराब है. तो थोड़ा टाइम लगा एक्सेप्ट करने में.
I generally say कि most of us know what we don't know. Like if somebody tells me कि यार Chinese cuisine बना लो, मेरे को नहीं आता बनाना. Somebody says चाय बना लो, मैं बोलता हूँ हाँ मैं बना सकता हूँ. But actually मेरी भी चाय अच्छी बनेगी खराब मुझे भी नहीं पता. So most of the time ना वो एक darkness क्या बोलते हैं चिराग तेरे दे रहे हैं ना, वो एक darkness हमारे अपने अंदर ही होती है कि हमें यही नहीं पता होता कि हमें क्या नहीं पता. And that is why lot of people are approaching us कि आप हमारा खाली CTO करा दो, हमारा खाली साइकोलॉजिस्ट करा दो, हमारा खाली इंटरव्यू करा दो. तो मैं उनसे सिर्फ एक ही सवाल पूछता हूँ, तुम्हें कैसे पता कि तुम्हारा इसमें प्रॉब्लम है? सर वो एक्चुअली मैंने सोचा. Samit, I want to ask you something specific about when you had gone there.
Yes.
How many, like, a lot of people say कि psychologists say one will just, your stay one say I think it will be a better thing. You are making very stereotype stories. So this creative thinking of those kind of exercises help, and how did you do it there?
Sir, what I did is when I saw the picture, I imagined why is that man there? What all he can be doing there? So that creative exercise like correlating these things with that thing, that helped in broadening our imagination, exercising our brain. So I was using that kind of power in that picture, like what the man can be doing, what can be a good purpose, what can be the reason, and what can be result. So that helped in the writing stories part, sir, in theories.
And what kind of story did you write in PPDD?
In PPT, there was a group. I wrote a stereotype question, sir, because most of us wrote the same thing. So I can say it was a stereotypical story.
So मतलब God is kind वो stable किसी तरीके से हो गया stereotype लिखने के बाद भी.
Yes, sir.
But then in the psychologist part, how many SRTs did you do? So a lot of people say कि 50 से ज़्यादा करनी तो ही पास हो. 35. 50 से ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. The day before yesterday, there was none of the candidate who did 48 SRTs. And out of those 48 SRTs, he still did not get recommended. The point is not of how many SRTs you are doing. The point is how much of value you are able to deliver. And how about your interview, Samvit?
It was smooth, sir. Okay, going with after going to the mock interview and working on the parts what I could have improved. It was really smooth.
What questions, if you would just share some of them with them, कि क्या पूछा है, and how did you reply to those questions?
The basic structure of our interview is like they ask you where you are coming from, what is the meaning of your name. Then they start with the CIQs like about your education, the marks percentage, the competitive exams you have given, your results in them, and then the relations with your teachers, friends. So that the same structure. They asked me in the similar way and I answered. And I did not leave any place. Like some people leave the answer of whom did you dislike as a teacher or whom did you like as a teacher. So I did not miss that part. Like for example, there was a teacher in my college who was as a person, he was a very good and jolly person, but the way of teaching was little boring. He used to just read the PPT. So I mentioned to the interview that part I did not like. So many people, exclude that part or become very critical about the teacher or professor. So I think in those part you can say whatever you feel.
So is it safe to say, like, even if you're not, because as an officer, what do you expect? वो ये बोले ये जवान अच्छा है, ये जवान बुरा है. Obviously, you can't say that and become biased. What somebody can say is कि ये और अच्छा हो सकता है, and probably what I was assuming that you would have narrated there, like you were saying कि मैंने ये नहीं बोला, मैंने छुपाया नहीं कि no, I like everybody, but you would have probably articulated in a manner कि it must have come out in a different way. Could you remember that articulation that you would do there? What exactly did you tell the interviewing officer ki how you conveyed that this teacher was good and everything, but still you were finding there was something missing in her and more her.
So I same the same thing. Like Dr. Supodin Pal sir was one of our professor. As a person, he was a very good and helpful person, and he was a very jolly person. But at times during his classes, what I found is that the way of teaching was little boring. He used to just read to the PPTs, and that's what I and many of the students find boring. But when we used to approach the sir, he used to explain everything.
So basically what he's done is he's weighed both pros as well as cons ki kuch acha bhi hai, but हाँ, see, everybody can improve in something, no? So there was not, had he said he, so there was one of the teachers whom I didn't like, he was always restless, he was always scolding her, or he was always reading from the PPT. And maybe he must have always been reading from the PPT, but then the way you give your answer, the way you articulate your answer is far more important than the content of your answer. And that is why we keep talking about group discussions, keep saying, like, could you use, coming on to GTO5, could you use that may I agree, I don't agree, or I disagree, and I partially agree types? Or it was like, kya Masli Bazaar?
I agree. I used I did don't angry or those was very less.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I did not cut anyone. Just I gave my view and to the whole group, not to anyone, as you told me. So that I did.
So we have a tendency, somebody asks, somebody counters us. तो हम क्या करते हैं, उससे 1-to-1 boxing match का चले जाते हैं. And what we need to do is कि we always need to address the group. We don't have to like punch और मेरा चल रहा है तो he will not talk to me. He should address the group. हाँ भाई ठीक है. So that is which you did it here. A couple of group discussions कि अच्छा तो मेरे को पूछा आजा अभी तुम मेरे साथ समझा. But that's amazing. But what kind of topics did you get? I don't want you to tell the exact topics because that's there. But what kind of topics did you get? And was there anything which was not covered with here or by your knowledge that you had missed out?
No, sir, the topics which were given in the SSD, these are very general topic. Any person who is aware, any graduate or any 12th pass person will know it because we discuss about sports, if it is improving or not improving. In my discussion, in my group discussion, there was a topic about sports, how it can improve. Okay. Then another topic was about India's GDP, how it can improve, or what is the main thing how which can influence the GDP or economy. So these are the topics we generally discuss. So in the GD, what we have to do, you have to just use the facts properly and articulate better, find the proper time and choose a lead which we feel close to.
It's choosing the lead which you are closer to. You might be knowing answers to all the leagues, but most important is only one league. So that is a very big takeaway what he is saying. Second is data points. Could you use the data points that you had already learned in your
Yes, I use approximate values. Exact I did not remember, the exact name of the report I did not remember, but I used it.
Oh, that's more than enough because see the topics are not meant for somebody who is studying for IAS. Topics are meant for somebody जिसके पास time ही नहीं है. Like there are so many working professionals who come there. You know उनको थोड़ी वो रोज topic, and that is where if you start creating those topics and you start making those topics and जो वीडियो गेम जो बात करते थे सी कोई भी ना चैट जीपीटी से पढ़ के बोल सकते आई पुट इन चैट जीपीटी करेक्ट प्रॉम्प्ट उन्होंने पूरा टॉपिक बना के दे दिया. बट द पॉइंट इज ऐसा तो ज्ञान तुम 50 पेज का ले लो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. जब तक हाथ से नहीं लिखोगे वो याद ही होंगी. तो जब तक हाथ नहीं जब तक बोलोगे नहीं ना तब तक यू विल नॉट योर ब्रेन विल नेवर गेट कन्विंस्ड कि ये वैल्यू ठीक है. योर ब्रेन नीड्स दैट फ्यू कि हाँ भाई ये ठीक है, and then only you will accept it. So that is the reason that we went about it. How about those indoor outdoor tasks we keep talking about outdoors? That I want to understand from you. What happened in your PGDs and all those things?
Sir, you specifically during the PGT mock PGT here, you told me to आगे से जाके काम तक if you don't know the thing, don't go ahead. So I followed it, and while following it, I felt like I am staying behind, and I was feeling very bad कि I am not going there, I am not participating, I am not saying things, and I was feeling like my PGT was going very bad. But slowly I understood that I'm going good because during you specifically told us that indoor tasks are more important, and I felt it during the command task.
No, but you would have even in PGD ऐसा नहीं कि तो बिल्कुल पीछे हो. From your standards you must be holding yourself back because होता क्या है ना, अब अगर हर बार ही सारे सोल्यूशन दे दोगे मतलब लेट्स से कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट द सोल्यूशन ना, इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि आप ग्रुप को कैसे साथ लेके चल रहे हो. It is also seen कि the way you are encouraging, giving others an opportunity because probably group decision you would have done very well, group planning you would have done again well, but then again इस पे भी हो जाए यार ये तो मतलब हर जगह खुद ही आगे आ रहा है, मतलब दूसरे को ना मौका नहीं दे रहा है. And so this is a very delicate line which all of you will have to define yourself. ये कोई तुम्हारे लिए नहीं कर सकता कितना आगे आना है और कितना पीछे रहना है, क्योंकि मन तो करता नहीं किसी का पीछे रहने का. कोई नौकरी है, सरकारी नौकरी है, ऑफिसर बनना है, सबने बनना है, कौन नहीं बनना चाहता. बट देन बिलीव यू मी, द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट एंड यू स्टार्ट जंपिंग फ्रॉम द वर्ड गो, व्हाट विल हैपन इज यू विल अननेसेसरली बी हाईलाइटेड फॉर विदाउट एनी लाइम और रीजन कि यार ये तो कूद के आगे ही जा रहा है, किसी को मौका नहीं दे रहा है. नाउ इफ आई ऑलवेज कम सर क्लास में सर मैं आंसर दे पाऊँ तो व्हाट डू यू लाइक दैट पर्सन? No, you तेरे को तो मतलब भी तो वो भ्रम या नहीं बन रहा. So always better to be little behind at time, and if you're good, you will get opportunities. I'm sure PGD ऐसा भी नहीं तेरा खराब गया होगा, तूने पक्का PGD 3 या 4 में तो solutions दिए होंगे.
Basically, in 2 I gave the solution, but 3 everyone was stuck. There was I was also not getting the idea, but I was not interfering. But what others were doing was standing there quietly and observing the structure from this side, that side. I was not. I think that helped me because many other people are poking, and I think it was.
So, but you are not sitting, you are not indifferent to the task. You are not like you're saying observe, but you are man knowing you observe तो तू करने वाला में से है नहीं, तू देख रहा होगा हाँ भी यहाँ से solution निकला है, वहाँ से solution निकला है. That curiosity must still be there.
Yes.
कि how to find it. So that's also at times it helps because वो भी देख रहे हैं बाहर वीडियो की ठीक है यार लोगों से नहीं निकल रहा for some reason, but this guy is not being a destructive element in whatever is happening. He is just doing it. And after that half group task,
In half group as I performed, I came ahead. Some doubting me, yes sir.
so that is see why half group task is this because he's giving more opportunity to or more people कि कोई जो आके आगे कर सकता है. Again, friends, don't take this as a datum. This is not your reference point. You do what your personality is convincing you to do. You may or may not perform in one of the particular tasks. That doesn't mean that you are a zilch or a zero. But ये तुमने decide करना है कि यार मुझे कितना आगे जाना है, कितना आगे नहीं है. Sometimes people who go a lot of it, and it will also depend on the entry. NDA entry, military school, salary school, all these people, staying back is not an option. लगता है ना यार, from मतलब शुरू से ही पढ़ेंगे, and that's not a bad choice. Okay, that's definitely not a bad choice. We are youngsters at 12th standard pass. जो शुद्ध नहीं हाई होगा, obviously slightly more experienced, slightly more matured. So they can't be like children, they can't keep fighting. You are still taken as कि चलो तुम तीनों बच्चे हैं, चलो लड़ रहे हो उसी से. That's okay. And how about your command task then? Straight away, आपको class के बाद command task.
Yes, sir. In what happened in AFSD, sir, command task, final group task, and individual obstacle was on second day.
In all the SSBs यही होता है.
Yes.
First day is still introing also, lecturate, and then next day.
Command task, I was initially not getting the idea. I was implementing wrong idea. Then sir gave me a hint, little bit hit, and I came back, stepped down, and observed the section again, and got the idea, then implemented and completed it.
And then did he pose some kind of problems? No. He said कि चलो भाई संबित वो नहीं करते हैं, चलो चपले देते हैं इसको करके आराम पे. At times you see we are humans, yeah, we are also biased. अगर हमें लग रहा है ना कि वो बंदा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, and maybe in all the other boxes he is ticking it. एक आध चीज में 19-20 है, बट सीखने की क्षमता है, सीखना चाह रहा है. That जल्दी people also, they want to boost. But Sabit, overall, now this is about what you did during your task. Apart from that, there were certain other things that I used to tell you कि भाई उसके अलावा भी करना है, candidate lines में इधर. Could you implement all those things? Could you do all those things?
Yes, sir.
क्या how did it help you overall? Did it help you पहले तो? If not, then also it's okay. But did it help you? If yes, then how did it help you?
Sir, you told me to be polite. Means I did not. मतलब मेरे को ये एहसास ही नहीं था कि I am being rude. In a way, if I am speaking in some way or behaving in some way, I am being rude. मेरे को ये एहसास ही नहीं था. You told me to be more polite. Then when मेरे को feel हुआ, then I started to be implementing that in the candidate lines, in during the task, in during the group discussions also, by requesting, give me 10 seconds, give me 1 minute, or say,
With saying 10 seconds, give me. It's actually surprising to me also.
I just said that. Good. Just give me 20 seconds, I will copy it, then you say your point.
No, I can see who met Sambir earlier. Can you see a difference in his tone now also?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Gentleman, sir.
gentleman right now?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I am also happy because in the politely आगे समझ जोश में आएगा. बहुत यार, like I know you were very happy yesterday night, but you changed as a person. Are you able to see that? Or the recommendation has changed you? You said, at least I am feeling them नहीं कितने आराम से बात कर रहा है, इतने politely बात कर रहा है. Good यार. And anything else that you want to tell, like obviously everybody, I'm sure that all of them will get recommended. It's just a matter of time.
मेरे को सर ये फील हुआ कि आप लोग मतलब जो ऑफिसर जो बोलते हो हमें लगता है छोटी सी बात है, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मतलब बाद में जब रिजल्ट दिखता है, इट इज़ वी कैन फील इट दैट छोटी सी चीज़ में कितना वो पूरे पजल में ऐसे फिट हुआ कि पूरा पजल सॉल्व हो गया.
समित नॉर्मल हालत में हम कभी भी ना एक दूसरे के वी ओनली टॉक टू समबडी और कैसे हो कहाँ हो. वी नेवर आस्क फॉर पेरेंट्स एंड this is something different that you are telling him, and it's not a small thing because that shows you are genuinely taking interest in that person. It is not superficial. Okay, Vanch, how are you? अच्छा, you learn to Raipur. Oh, तो what और तो रायपुर में कैसे है? How's Raipur? This is the end of this conversation for most of us. It is only when we start interacting a little more we start asking, oh, what does your father do? It is that. But then what you are telling him is very, very important because the moment you start, or once great, I say from Raipur, what are you doing? अच्छा, you are saying on PG, and क्या back home uncle क्या करने हैं? So it shows that actually you are taking interest in his life at some level. But ऐसे नहीं कि notebook निकालना अच्छा वंश ये करता है.
There are certain times in which you don't know the answers of the certain questions. When there are certain questions you know partially about them and you don't know completely what actually that topic means, what is the right answer to it. So how do you go along with those questions?
Just express what you're feeling. Like if you don't know completely, just say I don't know, sir. if you're feeling, I know partially, just say, sir, I partially know it. I'm not sure, but this can be the answer. Just express what you are feeling, and if whatever you are feeling is okay, natural, just say it.
If I see Abhishek, if you go through sir's interview again, you'll see that you will never know answers to all of this. Assessor का काम क्या है ना बे, आपको see because you are be given marks out of something. It is not a yes or no kind of a thing. Your personality is getting quantified. Personality quantify कैसे होगी कि आपकी इंटेलिजेंस लेवल या आपका कंटिन्यूटी लेवल पता करना पड़ेगा. There are bands, no? So when you are being tested in the bands, the beauty about bands is it's not a yes or no answer. The beauty about bands is आप कब तक चेक करते हो एक वायर कितनी मेलेबल है, कितनी डक्टाइल है, टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ क्या है उसकी, खींचोगे तो पता चलेगा. तो असेसर भी वैसे ही खींचता है, चाहे जीटीओ हो गया, you know, he'll try to find out lot of things from you, extract information from you, give you problem. Probably he was a clear-cut candidate, that's why he did not pose any problems in Manchur. Otherwise, he'll give you more problems. He'll give you problem. If you get frustrated, then you are not done in shoes. So interim officer is also asking you questions, not to trap you, not to test you. He's just asking so that he can test you and find out the correct assessment level कि वो गलत ना कर जाए, जो कि बाद में मेरिट भी बननी है, सब कुछ होना है. 1 mark may make a difference. So let's say there's a question about geopolitics. Let's say there's a question about geopolitics. Let's say Putin's visit recently, and you've not studied. आज आप केस में भी कैसे करोगे? आपने नहीं पढ़ा. No, but you know India-Russia relations. You know all those things, and you've read everything कि जो चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. So you say, sir, I am not very specifically aware about the President Putin's visit because somehow I just skipped that particular news article. However, sir, I would like to express that, you know, India and Russia have been long-standing friends, and these kind of visits, they reinforce the friendship or things like that, and especially in the wake of today, the war and terrorists and those things going on, and there's a lot of pressure on Russia to, you know, stop the war, pressure on India to don't buy the Russian oil or something like that. So, and give you and you add some numbers to it. Now, you know, automatically he says कि ठीक है यार इसको नहीं, मतलब he knows what he knows, and he also knows what he doesn't know. अब lot of people wanted to, sir, पहले तो एक तो बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं, तो don't do it. थोड़ा सा 2-3 सेकंड रुकने के बाद, right? Yes, and I have to ask you also, you have my validation of whatever you have thought. तो 2-3 सेकंड पहला फिर, and like we have conducted now so many interviews for IAS, UPSC aspirant and MBA placements. I always advise कि कोई भी बोलता है ना, सर give me 2 seconds, तो हम कभी उसको पैनलाइज नहीं करते उससे.